In My Store, click Add Product. Now select Collect Emails Applications. You can create an image 400 by 400 pixels, or choose an image from the ones provided. Add a title and a subtitle or short description for your freebie, and then choose what the button to download it will say. By default, Stan will collect a name and email address. Click Next. Now here is where we upload our freebie. This is usually a PDF. Click Publish, and your freebie is now available for download. If you click on Options, and then Confirmation Email, you'll see the default email template that anyone who downloads your freebie will receive. I always like to test the freebie download by entering my email address and making sure the file is delivered immediately.